this. We are in CPI territory. It is 9:16 Eastern. We're about to trade. Looks like we're getting our little round off here at 75, 65s. Ah, such a good spot to get in. I'm going to go ahead and get in. Been meaning to. Look at that. As soon as I got in, it friggin' drops like a rock. Wow. Was that 55s, 60s? Pretty aggressive price action today. Hmm. What do we do? I'm gonna go ahead and get out of that. Oh, I thought I was getting out of that. What the hell? 49. I mean, that's pretty low. Excuse me. Oh my God. That was like a perfect touch of 55. Whoa, or 50. It's coming down pretty violently. I don't know why I keep trying to buy this. Just had two long positions there, and they both got burned, and I'm already down $61. Kind of a rough day already. So, I should be trying to get in short, if anything. Let's see what happens here. We'll do a quick scalp to the short side. Under 50s, maybe. See how it acts up here. 35s, right? 30s. Went down to 30s. Wow. Oh, it's hard to tell. Let's wait until we feel something or see something here. A little obsessed with the P&L already. Not good. Well, 60 is down 60 is already down like three of my trades. Looks like it's pausing a bit. Kind of want to take it under 65. Let's get in short. One stop at 66, the other at 68. Just looks like it's turning, but I'm trying to call a top, which is not good. I should be just hopping on the trend. I keep trying to, let's see, here I was trying to call a bottom, and now I'm trying to call a top, so not really in a good headspace so far. I think that was another 40 bucks. Yeah, down 98 now. So this is really, this is really bad. Bounced off of an extremely obscure number, but just now we were up at 75s. Okay, this kind of looks like a top. Just going to do a one contract short here. I'm going to keep it pretty tight. All right, might get a little win here. I was going to add to it there. I'm going to go ahead and add to it. Well, I got out of the one at 50 there. I barely made 34 back. Made about a third of it back. Not too bad. Under 55 perhaps. I think I'm taking way too many trades already. I mean, I've already done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is going to say more. Yeah, because some of them are two contracts. Uh, all right. Let's think. I mean, we had a pinner 5 minutes bar, so believe it's going to rally. Excuse me. 65s, which I would like to think bounces a lot. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and take this long, and we'll hold it over 62.50, really tight. I'm going to go ahead and add to it. And put a stop in the money, just barely. Oh man, we just came up to 75 and bounced down. No way. Fudge. Bounce off 65. Come on. Yes. Oh, barf. Let's try a short. Oh, 60s is a bounce point too, though. Just trading like a cowboy this morning, and it is not good. Stops are too tight for this volatility. Get out for another loser. Back-to-back losers. Small ones, but losers nonetheless. I think I'm down over 100 now. Jesus criminy. I should at least wait until the open. 7 minutes until the open. Clearly this volatility is... I'm just not in sync with it. So we came up to 75s twice, kind of had a double top there. Well, the 5 minute got a bit of a pinner. What do we get down to there? 55s? I'm gonna go ahead and buy one here. And I don't know if I should have a 15-point stop. Yeah, I guess I should. We'll try and hold this for a wider target. My eyes are hurting. Jeez. Up to 75s now. If we get up to 85s and then we have a retrace, I'll add. So we did get up to 80s just now. Cool, cool. Got up to 83s. Gonna wait for a little retrace here. Let's see how much it comes down. If any. I would expect the next 5 minutes to also come down pretty deep like that. Yeah, so there's the 85 touch. Now let's see if it'll come back and have a retrace of at least 10 or 15 points. I'm just going to play the retrace too. Why not? Because I'm too slow. That's why. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, this is so volatile that I'm just going to be like peppering money left and right, just hemorrhaging money. So I had just gotten in 2 there, and then I got out of 1 out of the money. When I should be, if anything, just loading up. 88s. All right, if we get up to, or down to 80, I'm gonna go ahead and add. 4 minutes and 30 seconds until the open. I'm trying to trade this volatility, but I'm doing a terrible job. 78s. All right, that's pretty good. Let's just go ahead and add there. We got 2 now. And we're going to hold it over 75. Because why not? Okay, what's it doing? Looks like it's bouncing. Let's go ahead and add more. Okay. Man, it's hard to tell what it's going to do here. Jeez. 5 points in the money, roughly. I don't like this. Don't like how it's acting. Oh, jeez. Just need to be patient. Learn the patience. Sit in the uncomfortable trade. The reason it's so uncomfortable is because it's so unplanned. So I need to plan it out better. Should be grinding up from this point on. 3 minutes left in this 5 minute bar. All right, we're in the money. This is good. Let's see if we can get at least 10 points out of it. We'll get out of 1 up here. Ugh, all right, I got out of 1 right there for 5 because this is just not fun. Get out of another one. If we go under 85, the other ones will hold for zeros. Just need to be patient. Patience, patience. Let's just wait it out. We got into this one. Hasn't even been a minute, so I'm totally trying to do too much. Okay, some pressure both ways, mainly upside. So these pinners were a good call to get long at, but yeah, I just did a terrible job of holding it through those. Stopped out of another one. 85 bounce possible here. It's the last one, no real risk here because it's a break-even stop. Okay, break-even stop occurred. This could be our low for the 5 minute bar. Let's see. Got 2 minutes until the open. I think we're gonna have a bullish open. Numbers were good. I think this was like the second month in a row. CPI numbers are good. So was that 98s? Yeah, that was like a perfect touch of O's, which is generally bearish in my opinion. So get a little short here. Got another minute and 15 seconds until the equities open. Stopped out of that one. Kind of want to get long because that could have been I think that was the pin that was the bottom of the 5 minute candle most likely. From 81 to 61, that's $40. 30 seconds until the open. Man, I'm trading like an absolute cowboy today though. Just degenerate over 10 trades already. Kind of revenge trading a little bit. So not good. Not good. We need this bar to be green, but we've got 20 seconds left in it. Almost looks like it's just peeling over. Okay, up to 85s. Up to 90s. 4 seconds until the open. Okay, we're off. Just gonna add a little bit. Okay. Oh my God, my platform is bugging out. Are you kidding me? Wow. This is why you enter with brackets. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Dude, my whole platform is bugging out right now and not letting me enter or exit any trades. Great. Just wonderful. Why? Why would this be happening right now? It's not even closing. I'm asking for it to close. Okay, now it's what? Back online? All right, we got stopped out for that last one. Let's go long again. Long at zeros. We'll keep the stop lower, actually. 95 stop, just got hit. I need to have wider stops, I think. Like here, we're probably going to 25s. Just need to chill out, you know? Just need to chill. Are we pinning this 5-minute bar? Looks like it, doesn't it? 95s. 95s is typically a good bounce spot. It's kind of what we came down to. Man. Oh my God. Oh my God. 85s. It's the last place I'm gonna be holding this to. Wow. Big losers. What a terrible day. 150 down. Really don't want to push it now. 80, 75s. Looks like a breakdown, right? Kind of flat now with these numbers. I think I just wiped away both yesterday and the day before. 65s possibly here. Wow, we're getting a lot of downside pressure. Where did it bounce off before? 30s. Man. So just a massive sell-off, despite numbers being decent. Oh my gosh. I am just not in the zone today. 171 down. Uh, yeah, I think I'm going to do like one more trade and that's it. I'm already at 27 trades. This is bad. Bad news bears. 5-minute bar with the pin that is lower than the last two bars. Almost lower. 42. Hmm. Definitely seeing more downward pressure. So let's see, 67s. Hmm. Yeah, let's go ahead and try a short here. Gonna keep it in the money tight. Ugh. Jeez. So volatile. Buyers and sellers are duking it out. Getting short again. Kind of a terrible spot to get short again. All right, let's see. Yeah, we could have a huge, rebound at any moment. Just gotta be careful. 43. Oh my God, had to get stopped out there too. Rough, rough, rough. Where'd we get down to? 40s? 40s is a great bounce spot. So far, I think I still want to be bearish. I'll stay bearish, or I'll stay short under 50. Let me actually put my stop up because I don't want to get caught with my pants down. I will add. Wow, looks like I'm gonna get stopped out. Fuck. Stop entry under 47s. Okay. What was that high? 60? 54. Okay, let's add a little bit. Oh, jeez. My stops are just too tight. Oh my God. I think I'm down 200 now. 231. This has to be it for me. Have to be done. I'm going to do something I shouldn't do. I'm going to switch to minis. and see if I can get away with one mini. Oh, that would have been great right there. Short from 25s. That was like an absolute low that I just got short at. Got out for nothing there. Wow. Wait, what am I doing? Keep trying to get short this thing, but it's not wanting to drop. 25 bounce possibly here. Wow. I'm getting chewed up today. So chewed up. And I'm breaking my rules. I'm down 377. Switched to minis. Had two losses on the minis already. All right. Clearly, that was not a good call. So I was trying to get short in those minis, but I was getting short under 25s. Yeah, I would have gotten so wrecked right there. Oh, this is a kind of a blow up day for me. Kind of revenge trading blow up day. Look at that. Terrible. Jeez. When I switch to minis, I'm just compounding losses. So I think I'll do the one more trade rule. I'm also completely violating the 10 trades or less per day. So today is just a degenerate kind of day for me. Hmm. Came up to 65s. Do want to get short now. 45s. Oh crap. Didn't really want 45s. All right, so far so good. It has bounced off 40s multiple times though. That is a problem. Well, that was a loss. So I got to take my lumps. We're 9 minutes into a CPI day, and I just am grinding my account into oblivion. Down 382. Rough. Just not my day. So many trades to review too. I mean, I can review them now. They're mostly terrible. Taking less than ideal trades this morning. Maybe just excited about CPI data. So I just broke one rule of what was the one rule I broke? I don't even know. Traded before the open, like way before the open. The thing is, like, if I was up, 100 bucks, I'd likely stop. But when I'm down 100 bucks, I'm more likely to start revenge trading and trying to get it all back. That was a really nice 45 touch. Then we came up to what, 57s? Let's see what happens here. 40s is a great spot for a bounce. I'm gonna go ahead and buy. Really tight stop on that. I'm gonna go ahead and add to it. Oh, what are you doing, brother? She got burned again. Wow. At least I didn't hold it. But my God, I'm almost down 400. I am over 400 down. Well, yeah. Oh, I've said it multiple times this morning, but that's it. I am done for the day. Big loss. Didn't blow up the account, luckily, but still just not a good day. Not a good day. Yeah, we had this rejection here. Hmm. So we're just getting rejected, it looks like. Oh my God, sorry guys. It's a terrible, terrible thing for you guys to be watching. Just me losing money. Had kind of a green open, not really. Ugh. I have to watch this and just not touch it. Have to not touch. Wow, down to zeros. I wasn't really self-aware this morning. And yeah, I really got into the revenge mindset quite quickly. Quite quickly. Oh, breaking down to the 80s level. See, this is another spot where I would buy. Hmm. Nope. That would have been a bad call. Would have been a bad call. Hum, hum, hum. Hum, 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 hum. Oy. Oh, feels bad, man, to be down this much on one day. I'm not going to blow up the account, obviously, but this is like a personal blow up, more or less. I mean, we had this big rejection on the 5 minute up at 8:11.5, and I had thought this was a pullback. But once I kept experiencing this friction, especially right here, especially in this 5 minute bar, I don't know why I still thought it was going to be long. Just convinced at the top, I guess. And I just made a little bit and kind of kicking myself for being a degenerate this morning. This was terrible trading by me. Broken trend, easy to trade to the downside, and yet I was trying to convince myself to be long. Even this last trade was a long. Up at the 50 level, 55 level. And that was the last time it touched 50s, or 40 level, I should say. Man, it's come down 100 points in the last 4 minutes, 5 minutes. My God. Well, okay, we came down to the next 40. Let's just see what happens. I'm not going to trade. Down 415 on the day. That is just abysmal. Just going to take my lumps. Don't really have any ideas for a trade currently anyway. This is kind of a support zone, this entire area. Wow. 50, 50 point support zone. Man, and then I switched to minis. Jeez, I don't even do that when I'm up. Why would I do that when I'm down? My God, it's the epitome of revenge trading to this morning. I should have stopped after like the first or second trade. I think that first trade just really caught me off guard and put me into a revenge trading mode pretty quickly. I'll probably just journal about it and leave it at that for the day. Ah, gosh. Also had a nightmare last night. Maybe that's should have listened to that nightmare. 75 bounce to the downside. Ooh, would have been juicy. Let's assume we got in 72s. Would be 10 points in the money already. Yeah. Hmm. Man, I was very tempted to get in there. But it's very good practice to watch price continue without you when you have already hit your stop for the day and you're just trying to practice discipline, which I definitely need to. So 415 down, I mean, that's like 3 or 4 good days. I mean, not good days. That's 3 or 4 like okay days. That's like one good day. So it's a pretty big hit to the account. Let's see. Back up to 70s. We came down to 60s there. Just under. Hmm. Yeah, definitely need to. So the thing I did wrong today was after getting down, say, over $100, I didn't stop. And it was just like a slow approach to 100. And once I got down to 100, kept trading, made some of it back, but then just kept having a rough time. Look at this crazy rejection. Crazy rejection. Crazy. All right. Hmm. Is that 25s? Yeah, good bounce off 25s. In the support zone, but this is pretty violent. Yeah. Seems like people were just expecting the numbers to be way better than they were, even though consensus was beaten by a little bit. It's not good enough for the people, or not good enough for the big banks or something. We are in a support zone. This would be a good spot to buy. All right, let's assume we just got long at 30s. Um, let's go ahead and add 35s. So let's assume we have an average of 32, 33. 25, 250. Hmm. Still working on just writing some stuff on my other monitor. Oh, oops. So we had a 35 bounce there, 30 bounce. It's kind of slowing down now. It's kind of being more in the style that I like. Look at that hourly. Wow. Filling out this massive pin. It's a big down move. Mamma mia. Oh gosh. Whew. Was that a, yeah, a 55 touch? Complete retracement from 55. That would have been a good short entry for sure. Would have helped out a lot. Uh, is that a 15 bounce? It's just random numbers on the bottom side. On the top side, decent numbers 75, 55, 35. To me, that shows a seller. Big seller. Hmm. Let's see what we're going to see. What are we going to see here? 5-minute bars showing a little bit of a slowdown. It does again appear to be support or possible support. Topside pins though. Let's see, we got, so see this was like bottom side pins showing strength, but then we got rejected really hard at the open. Big rejection down to the support level. Now we're in the support level and we're bouncing. Bouncing in the support area. 88s as a low. Wow. That is a great low. Coming up to 45. Mm. rallying up to 50. Yeah, so for a longer time frame trade, like 5 minutes plus, this would be the place to buy, right? I mean, this support area. Yeah, that's the other thing, right? I didn't really come in with a 2 minute hold was the longest. I didn't really come in with a good plan. It was a really loose plan. Lesson learned. CPI days. Be more strict with the rules. Have a stricter plan. Now it looks like the trend is up, but hard to tell. I really want to put on more trades. It's actually kind of scary. 51s. Hmm. Yeah, like I wanted to get long there. It has slowed down quite a bit. Rejected at 60s. Doesn't mean anything. Yeah, it wasn't a rejection. Just a little pullback. So we'll probably come back to this high volume node, right? It's 465. Hmm. I'm looking at completely different charts now. I'm looking at Bitcoin charts. Hey. So it looks like it was a change of trend in a support area. Pretty nice. Kind of a big support area though, 50-point support area. Went pretty deep in it too. Man, oh man, what'd we come down to there? 50 on the dot almost? 47s. Hmm. Nice rally to 85s. Hmm. Question is it going to pop over 85s? So far seems like a good touch of 85s. Oh man, I'm so disappointed with myself for today. It's traded like a butthole. 85s mean nothing right now. That was a clean bounce off 75s. Interesting how that worked. We had clean levels on the top side coming down, and now we're having clean levels on the bottom side coming up. Or relatively clean anyway. 40, 45, 70s, 75s. Hmm. Great support area trade right here. Yeah, that would have been worth it for sure. Did we have a round bounce there though? Not really. Tens? Hmm. That level doesn't really register with me as a good bounce spot, but I guess it was. So next would be 85s, which we just touched, just barely. I really want to try long here. Oh. All right, I'm going to try a big YOLO trade here, I think. Let's just see what happens. Risking it all. Risking it all. And we are getting screwed with this risking it all trade. 87s, huh? All right. 95s. Should hold over 95s, honestly. Dude, I'm getting trashed today. Wow. 100 bucks. Oh, decimated today. Decimated. Letting myself get decimated. Oh, it's painful. It's painful. As long as the day is not too traumatizing, then I can come back the next day and keep trading. Yeah, these kind of days, man, I gotta put these kind of days behind me. Big losing days. 530 down. My goodness. And watch it now rally. Is that an 85, 87 touch? See, that was the entry. Fuck. Oh my God. That is extremely frustrating. I really should have waited to see if there was going to be another 85 touch and then gotten in. That just rallied from 85s in like a few seconds. Man. Oh, gosh. Darn it. Oh, that would have been, wouldn't have been the whole thing. It would have been like 150 bucks right now. Okay. Um, yeah, why am I setting up for another trade? Stop it. Get some help. It's just degenerate gambling at this point. 538 down. Oh my God. I just can't even reconcile it. And look at this. Got in with five, over zeros, and just had my stops too tight. We came down to 87s, which is perfectly normal. All right, let's try one. Oh, I was going to say let's try one more, but we didn't even get it. That was the O's bounce. Okay, here we go. I'm going to stick with one, see if I can even get it back under, if we can get us back under 500, as in like 500 negative. Dude, how many losses in a row is that? That's quite a bit. 555. That's a great number to stop at. Look at how many losses in a row. Oh my God. One, two, three, four. Okay, okay. A couple scratches. One. Oh my God. Oh my God. Did I have three losses in the row? Yeah. Yeah. All right. I had a three losses in a row rule a while back. I think I have to bring that back. Threw it out the window after a while because I thought it was keeping me from putting on more trades that were profitable, but at the same time, it's going to force me to reduce my trade count, which I need to do. So many losses in a row today. I mean, some of it's scaling out of trades, but jeez. Now we're back up at exactly where I wanted to be with those five trades or five shares. Once again, look at that. Got out right at the bottom. Stops too tight once again on that last trade. Was that a 10-point stop? Even if it, well, it didn't get down to 96. Man, I didn't even hold it as a 10-point stop. 25's on the dot. Too focused, hyper focused on PNL, and it's causing me to revenge trade and be stupid. 25's looks like it's making a pinner up at 25. Yeah, I gotta be done for the day, unfortunately. Ugh, terrible day. All right, I'm gonna journal the crap out of this day. Not every trade, but some of them. Looks like that was the top, yeah. Some divergence there. Divergence again on the range bars. Was there divergence on the 1 minute? Kinda, not really. No, no real divergence on the 1 minute. Ugh, that was rough. That was rough, 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 rough morning. Here we are at 85s, came down to 65, so I would be long over 65. Hmm. I should never get my days over like 50 down, and yet here I am with a $555 red day. Abysmal trading this morning by me. Do everything I don't do for today. Just do the opposite, guys. What was that, a bounce of 65? Yeah. And then we came down to 80s. Okay. So maybe that was just a fake out stop run, and now the real move starts from the support area. What would the target be here? I don't know. From 25s, bounced off of 10s. Yeah, wow. Great bounce. I think one of the other things I did wrong was I got up pretty late this morning because I was staying up late. Beautiful rally from the 70 level. Came up to 88s, came down to 78s. Hmm. Even with a few micros, this would have been amazing trade. Let's see, $100 is what? Let's see. 20 points on a micro is $40. So 40 points is $80. So yeah, that would have been over $100 per micro. Solid trade. Came up right up to 55 so far. Oh me, oh my. Mm-mm-mm. But yeah, I mean, this was a good pullback to get in on for sure for this 5 minute move. It's pretty strong. Pretty strong. 100 points now, right? From this low of 65. Wow, now it's like getting more violent. Makes me want to take along, you know? Let's try it, why not? Get out for a tiny, tiny, tiny winner there. Very small. Very small. Is this another pullback? This almost looks like we're overextended now. Made made $1.50 on that last trade. 75 bounce perhaps. Yeah, 75 bounce it is. Let's get along over 80s. Nice and tight. And we got stopped out. Stops have been too tight today. Just too tight. Back down to 75s. Breaking 75s. Well, just barely. Yeah, smashing through 75s now to the downside. This is the pullback, it would seem. So it's gone like 120 points already from that 65 level, from 375, or 365, I should say. Let's get along under 70s, or over 70s, I should say. Yeah, we were right, but too slow. Okay. 79s. Let's see if we can hold it over 75s. Let's add to it. So far, it looks like we're going to get stopped. All right. You actually going to blast for me? What's going on? No, you're going to stop me out. Ugh. Got out of one there for roughly break even. Let me just practice holding. 99s. Cool. Well, I made back a little. No longer at 555. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the real move started at this support level, it would seem. Mm-mm-mm. How's the 15 looking? Just volatile. About the hourly. It just seems like indecisive grinding right now. So here we're at 90s, 89s, 87s, 86s. I'm gonna go ahead and get long because we had a perfect touch there. Perfect touch 85s. Let's see. Let's see what that means. It's not coming down to 85s anymore. It's also not going up though. This could be the top. The top of this big move. We'll stick to our plan. This is a 6-point stop. Not a huge deal. 87s. Yeah, really thought about getting long a lot there. Okay, down to 90s. Back under it. Let's see. It's just taking a big breath here. It looks like it might stop me out. It's hard to tell. It's definitely not as volatile as it was previously. Making me want to add to it. Oh, just stopped me out though. So 12 bucks. Am I back to 555? 543. Yeah, I was gonna say that was a good. Man, once again, my stop is too tight. Now we're back up at where I wanted to be. Oh God, should have just added to it. Oh, stop was too tight once again. Hmm, learning a lot today. Good lessons today. 95s. God, my personality is just like terrible for this because I just want to like get in, risk my entire life on this next trade to make everything back. It's a terrible mindset. Oh man, I didn't even let this get under 80s, did I? But I got in at 89s. Yeah, it wasn't even a 10-point stop. Mm. And I knew my previous stops were too tight, and I still kept it within 10 points. And that was because of the P&L. So the P&L has been a huge detractor today from disciplined trading. Like here, I would try another long 250, but we need to have a stop of at least 10 points, right? So should be down at 92. So let's actually do that. It's not the greatest entry, but it does give you more wiggle room than what I've been doing. The play is to just have it over O's, which it's already under, but it's not under 95s. There's just a few levels that a wider stop allows. So yeah, like for days like today, I just have to have a stop of at least 10 points. 250. This is kind of top territory, isn't it? Hmm. What a great way to end the morning. Another loser. And now I'm over 555. 566. Oh, abysmal day. All right, I'm going to journal the crap out of this day. I'm going to stop before I get myself into any more trouble. And that's how she rolls, you know. You sometimes you completely lose all discipline and trade like a maniac and get a big drawdown in your account. Jeez. All right, that's it for today, guys. I will I'll put the link to the Trade to Grow report on the description of this channel. I guess I could do the initial logging on stream, so it's just painful. Painful day. But because it's painful, I mean, it's bad that it's painful. It shouldn't be painful. So let's see, we got our trades. Let's see how terrible they look on the ooh. So they can't win from positive 90. Wait, why does that say? Oh no, positive 185 to negative 309. So now we got a hole. We got 1 day left in the week. Yeah, days like today should never, ever, ever happen. I didn't hit my, well, the gross didn't hit my personal loss. Actually, yes, my personal loss is 400 to 500 down. And I'm already past that. Ugh, man. All right, let me grab some screenshots real quick. So I think the main thing I did wrong was how fast the P&L went down caught me off guard. And I got into a revenge mindset way too quickly. And once I break one rule, it just becomes so much easier to break all the rest. So, yeah. I mean, actually, I gotta log an issue here. Found an issue that I need to log. Mm. All right. So what do I want to say about today? Volatility got me excited. Just say CPI volatility had me excited, and my first trade was kind of a big loss, which caught me off guard and put me into a revenge mindset almost instantly. Quickly ran through 10 trades and convinced myself that I should keep trading. I even switched to minis at one point in a Hail Mary attempt to, wait, am I spelling that wrong? No, right? Hail Mary? Hail Mary, right? Yeah. In a Hail Mary attempt to get the account in the green. I ended up digging an even bigger hole, and my stops were repeatedly too tight. Yeah, no fun. Oops. This should auto expand. I don't know why it's not. I should keep trading. I even switched to minis at one point in a Hail Mary attempt to get the account in the green. I ended up digging it an even bigger hole, and my stops were repeatedly too tight. So stops were tight as in they were less than 10 points. And they were likely so tight due to an obsession over P&L. There's never been a day where I look at the P&L and keep obsessing over it and have a green day. There's been like very few of those days. Most days when I obsess over the P&L, it's bad. My day goes red and it's not a good time. Did I add this screenshot? I feel like I did. Let me just check. Yeah, I did. Okay. Oh, jeez. No good. No good. Let's get a screenshot of the chart. 858. Wait, what? Oh man, yeah, I've been trading for a minute now. Didn't trade here, put some trades, man. It's just been all scattered and just tons of losses. Just abysmal day. Got to bring it back to the fundamentals tomorrow. Less than 10 trades. Keep it, you know, Stops not too tight. Only wait for the best entries, which sounds boring, but it's the way you make money in this game. 65s to 05s. Yeah, 65s is great bounce level. 65, 85. Yeah, look at this. 65. Great rally there that we totally missed because we were just obsessed on P&L. Obsessed on P&L, and we actually should have just been done for the day, but we weren't. So let's paste this one in. There we go. Pasted. I ended up digging an even bigger hole, and my stops were repeatedly too tight. Stops were tight as in they were less than 10 points, and they were likely so tight due to obsession over P&L. Rarely does obsessing over P&L help the day go green. It's always a distraction regardless. It's always a distraction regardless of whether I'm up or down. Total violation of rules today. Oh, 54 trades. My God. And with fees, we're looking at, almost 600 down. Oh. All right, let me save this note. If I refresh this, should be 2 screenshots here. Yeah. Oh, vey, oy vey, oy vey. Man, look at this. Abysmal trading for me today. Abysmal. Just no good. The first trade totally caught me off guard. Although this was only a roughly 10-point stop, it completely caught me off guard, and due to it being 2 contracts, and losing so much so quickly. How long did I wait until I got into another trade? I waited less than a minute. And it was also pre-market. Loss, loss, 1 win, loss, 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 small win. And then it was just tons of losses, 4 or 5 losses in a row. Yeah. Had a couple winners today, but not many at all. Yeah, we can look at the distribution, right? Look at that. Jeez. Biggest loser was $100. Oh, that was the mini trade. Yeah, these were the minis. Very disappointing. Very, very disappointing. 39 losing trades, 14 winning trades. Average winning trade was just terrible. Actually, the average trades were about the same. Yeah, it's just that I took less than ideal trades today. Oh, took less than ideal trades due to excitement and paid the price. Yeah, I gotta have some daily stop of like $50 or something. Tomorrow, let's see, going forward, daily stop will be, let's see, one good trade on micros is, yeah, like 30, 40, $50. So I'll just keep it at 50. Going forward, daily stop will be down 50. Because, yeah, I can afford to have 10 of those in a row. Can't afford to have 10 $500 losses in a row. Yeah, I got in. Actually, no, that was just a 1 contract trade. Did I add to it? No, this was, so I waited all of 3 seconds until getting into another trade in the same direction. Let me actually modify this note. Due to losing so much so quickly. Oh, what a bummer. And now it looks like it's, I don't know, trending up, I guess. It's probably going to have a grind up day. Hard to tell. Hard to tell at this point. Just checking my other screen real quick. Yeah, I'll probably have a few days of grinding up and then we'll have another drop down to some crazy low numbers. This trade was taken almost immediately after closing the last. Need to be wary of this behavior since this is the epitome of revenge trading. Given that the direction is the same as the previous trade. How many losses in a row? Let's see. Jesus. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 losses in a row. 4 losses in a row. 1, 2, kind of back to back. All in the same direction. No, here's a switch of direction. Switch directions again, made money. Switch directions again, gave it all back. Need to pay more attention to the P&L as an indicator. Had a couple strings of winners here. Couldn't really hold it. And it looks like we went from roughly 80s to 05s. So 15 points. I made, yeah, about 15 points worth on there, so it's not terrible, but the fees were racked up. And then we had, oh, so many losses in a row. Yeah, here, long, all the way down. Man, no fun. No fun today. Look at the, yeah, there's one string of losses. Look at this. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3. It was just I had a couple 5 contract trades. This is probably them. 35, 43. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, this was the bulk of the losses here. Jeez. I mean, this is an insane amount of losses. We went from 35 to 49, 48. Wow. Some of these were the same. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, we got to put some grouping logic in here to help group these trades. Oh man. Got out and got in at the same time. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Man. Oh my God. First winning trade after almost 15 losses in a row. This should never happen. Let's see. Going forward, well, yeah, 3 losses in a row. Yeah, going forward, a 5-minute break. After 3 losses in a row. Yeah. Oh, geez. Terrible day. Terrible, terrible day. And I want to keep trading. It's such a terrible mindset to be in right now. Terrible mindset to be in. All right, I'm going to save this day. I mean, it's already saved. So the account looks like crap now. We're down on the account. Not down a lot, but, you know, definitely disappointing. And the best thing to do is tomorrow to take it extremely easy. Keep it like even under 5 trades for tomorrow and wait until my mojo is back, until I can actually have some profitable trading consistently and then push it. So I should not be pushing it tomorrow. I should not have pushed it today. Decided to push it, paying the price today. So tomorrow, plan is to be extremely, extremely chill, make it a very boring day in terms of how many trades I put on, only take like 1 or 2 optimal setups and roll with it and practice holding, practice higher time frame trading. So that's it. That's it for today. Oh, I need to fix the alignment on this. Huh. Okay. We will see you tomorrow. Good luck trading. Hopefully your day is way better than mine. Hopefully it's green and it's awesome. Best of luck, everyone. I will catch you tomorrow for a Friday session. And with any luck, we'll make back, you know, maybe the whole day. We'll see. But we'll take it real easy tomorrow because we cannot afford to have days like today.